June live cattle were sharply lower following through on Wednesday's key reversal. Now that contract is $7.50 off of the high from just a day ago. Big reversal lower. And in the meantime, cash cattle prices traded steady to slightly higher over last week. So that should normally be a positive thing. However, there has been concern growing about pests, in particular the New World screwworm, which has really been proliferating or really running fairly rampant in Mexico. There's concern that that will cross the border. We recently did close the border to Mexico for live animals coming into the country in order to try to stop that from happening. But there are concerns that it may have already happened or will happen. And that has put a lot of uncertainty and really weighed on the market. So the cash cattle prices trading are kind of reflecting what the needs are at the very moment, but looking out further during time, obviously there are some concerns about that in the market. Weekly export sales were up significantly. There's no better way of saying that from last week at 14,600 metric tons. That's 91% higher than last week. It's also 21% higher than the 4-week average. So that domestic demand is pretty good. Although when it comes to beef, our main concern is what's happening domestically. Export demand is nice to have, but the big driver for demand is our domestic market, which has been pretty good. Box beef prices have been a little volatile lately, but still trading at higher levels. So lots to be watching for here in the live cattle market. Everybody stay tuned and you stay safe.